These are my fingers, and for this video I'm going to make digital art but only using my fingers. So here we go. So before drawing digital, I made a rough sketch and now I'm gonna ink it. Now that I have my markers, sexy tape and music, let's get ready to start inking.
I woke up left out on the porch, making too much noise. Up all last night, baby, up all last night.
So on the right side we have a crazy Santa with some doodles, and on the left side we have a normal Santa boy.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Now that I'm done inking my rough sketch, let's copy this to my device where I'm gonna draw using my fingers.
Took a look at myself for a minute, I've been too much down to stop to rethink it back.
Now I lower the opacity and start inking digitally with my fingers. But first let's decorate my fingers, because I'm a meme. Let's test that digital marker. Boy, this one's smooth. So some big brains might be having a question, why am I using my fingers? First, my fingers are sexy. Second, I don't have a stylus. Now this was a little tough in starting, but you get used to it.
Red wine on the weekends just to run away.
And finally I'm done inking.
I don't want to let this feeling go.
And now let's start with the best part. Let's color the left side. So for this side I decided to go with pastel colors.
I see no ceilings. Won't you let me go? Ignorance isn't a
We need some B-roll here, boys. Now let's work on the hat of a Santa boy. And we're done with Santa boy. And now let's start with the doodles.
I think that I need some space.
So for the doodles, I'm kinda keeping it a gradient color scheme.
When I said I'm 20 minutes away, now it's getting late. Don't
Bro,
know
this
what to
is fun.
say.
Let's keep painting.
Gotta be alone.
This time I added textures and patterns to the doodles, and it looks awesome.
It's how it goes. I regret it.
And I'm tired as fuck, so let's sleep. It's already the next day, let's get some melon and finish this today.
Maybe I'm selfish, but who am I helping if I bring the team down? It's all on me now. I thought I already told you.
I'm thirsty as fuck, so let's get some coffee. This one's smooth.
I think I gotta be alone.
And my boys, I'm finally about to complete this one. It was a completely new experience and I enjoyed it a lot. It's fun to keep experimenting with art, so I hope you like the video. Enjoy the reveal. Bye.
So I know I'm flaky, friends are gonna hate me. When did every maybe turn into not tonight? I'm in a daydream, energy is fading. So no way, I'll probably fake, I'll probably fake.